Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter J. The Dutch J is pronounced as J, similar to the English Y in yes. Listen carefully. Say it with me. J. Now, repeat after me. J. Once more. J. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. J. Now a little faster. J. And once more at normal speed. J. A common mistake is confusing J with G. Make sure to pronounce J as a soft Y sound, not a hard G. One more time. J. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. J. Now, a little faster. J. Finally, at normal speed. J. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.